Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix this Wi-Fi problem in your Samsung Galaxy F17 5G smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if you are facing like crashing of the Wi-Fi network and sometimes it is not working, not connecting to your earbuds, speakers or any Bluetooth so you can just simply tap on the Wi-Fi, long press the Wi-Fi, click on details. So here it will be showing the available networks over here. Tap on the internet and now you can just connect it from here by entering the passcode. If it is not connecting, just go to this search and type here apps. Click on search, right here Google Play services and clear cache this. Second, you can just do it, click on search and write here reset, and now you have to go to scroll down, click on reset again. Here it is reset Wi-Fi settings. Tap on this reset settings and you can see Wi-Fi settings has been reset successfully. Now your Wi-Fi settings are now default mode and sometimes it is working still. Now you can just restart your device or you can do a soft reset. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.